Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to poke someone on Facebook, updated for 2022. Poking someone on Facebook is a fun way to get their attention and interact with them without sending a direct message. To get started, open the Facebook app on your phone. Once you're in the app, tap the search icon in the top right corner of the screen. This will allow you to search for the Pokes feature on Facebook. In the search field, type Pokes and press enter. This will bring up a list of search results related to Pokes on Facebook. Look for the option that says Pokes and select it. Once you're on the Pokes page, you'll see a list of people who have poked you, or who you can poke. To poke someone, simply find their name on the list and tap the Poke button next to their name. This will send them a notification that you've poked them, and that's all there is to it. Poking someone on Facebook is a quick and easy way to interact with your friends and family on the platform. We hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Thanks for watching.